Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to back up WordPress website. Let's dive right in. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. On this page, click on Add New Plugin option at the top left side of the screen. Go to the search bar and search for WordPress Backup and then press Enter. In the search results, you can see several plugin options to install. I will choose the Updraft Plus plugin with 3 million plus installations, excellent ratings, and mainly compatibility with my version of WordPress. Click on the Install Now button, and after its installation, tap on the Activate button to activate it. The plugin for backing up the WordPress website will be available in the Installed Plugins. Locate it and click on the Settings option here. Click on Backup Now. Choose the options you want and tap on the Backup Now button. As you can see, the backup will start, and it will take some time to complete according to your website. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.